Come test drive the 2013 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power tailgate, power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.